All right, so where do you find the flashlight on your iPhone? There's a couple of easy ways to get there. The easiest one is usually through Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner and that'll open Control Center. Usually somewhere in there, you'll see a flashlight button. Tap that to turn it on, tap again to turn it off. On some iPhones, you'll see a little adjuster here too, letting you change the shape and intensity of the light. On older models, long pressing the flashlight icon brings up an intensity slider you can drag up and down to change the brightness of your flashlight. If you don't see a flashlight button in Control Center at all, you can add it in. Tap the plus icon up top first. Then on the bottom, you can add more controls. You'll see a whole list of available controls open where you can browse and tap the ones you'd like to add to your Control Center. Flashlight's usually near the top. Tap that and it gets added to your Control Center. From there, you can resize it or tap and drag to reposition it. My favorites page is already pretty full, so mine went onto a second page. But I already have it on the first, so I don't really need the extra one. Just tap any empty space when you're done, and that's it. Another easy way, add flashlight to your lock screen. I use this all the time. Long press it on the lock screen, and it turns on the flashlight. Long press again to turn it off. Super easy, and no need to unlock your phone to access it. If you don't have it on your lock screen yet, lock your phone, then long press the lock screen to edit it. Tap Customize, and you'll see a couple of buttons at the bottom. If something else is already sitting there, tap the little minus icon to remove it. Then tap the plus icon to add a control. You'll get the same big list of options, so go ahead and choose Flashlight, which puts it right there. Then tap Done. Now I've got flashlight right on my lock screen, and again, you can adjust intensity and pattern from here too. Not every iPhone supports the light shaping feature, but a lot of the modern ones do. Anyways, that is how you get to the flashlight on your iPhone. If this helped you and you want to support my channel, I'd love it if you can click that like button down there or drop me a comment. If you like simple guides like this, that subscribe button down there is your friend. Thanks all, hope to see you in another video.